Want to grow your business? Alpha E Barcode Solution. Redefine your business with us.
Who are we and what do we do?
A one-stop solution for all your business needs. We offer a complete business solution from ERP software to mobile app and e-commerce website to digital marketing solution. Come join us. As we have established in 2001, we have more than 20 years of excellence in this industry with 25 products. We are serving 2,000 clients and have served more than 5,000 users across 100 cities in India. We have a team of more than 60 strong, creative and dedicated members. We provide simple, powerful and high-quality software at competitive prices. We have always tried to stay updated with the latest technology. We have also introduced a referral system where you can also earn along with us. Industries we serve. We provide absolute solutions for desktop and web-based applications for retail, wholesale and manufacturing businesses to enhance their business with advanced technology. Our products. There's a smart solution for every business, for every requirement. G-Soft Extreme ERP, the most trusted software in India. G-Soft Extreme ERP is designed especially for retailers and wholesalers to offer complete management solutions to meet all their business needs. The software provides exclusive features like G-Soft Extreme ERP, the most selling software in India. All-in-one solution for every jewelry business. G-Soft Extreme ERP software automates key business operations which are powered by a wide range of features. G-Soft Extreme ERP software can be seamlessly integrated into the business. Alpha Extreme ERP, all-in-one solution for retailers and B2B traders business. Alpha Extreme ERP provides a retail software solution with countless retail businesses. Alpha Extreme ERP software provides exclusive features which will manage your business as per your requirement. Barcode solution. Get a complete range of products with high quality at the best prices and best services. Digital marketing solutions. Promote your business online with us. Marketing your products and services using digital technologies which can help you to create brand loyalty, such as our mission is clear and hassle-free. We provide economical solutions to our clients by providing customized and easy-to-use ERP software and applications. Our goal is to establish a long-term relationship and enhance your business. We plan to hire highly qualified professionals and acquire space to open support centers in every major city of the country for better coordination and service. For demo, call us on 98792 77294. Visit www.alphaebarcode.com. Thank you.